So today we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Fire Max 11. This is their 11-inch tablet. It has an 11-inch 2K display, and this is the 64GB model. I think that's the only variation they make. And let's have a look. So this is the outside of the box. As you can see, it has an octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, it comes with Dolby Atmos, and it has Wi-Fi 6. There's also a keyboard attachment that you can see down here that you can get with a stylus. That isn't in this box, that's a separate purchase. This tablet was currently £160 on Amazon. This is the with ads version that I've got. And we're just going to be unboxing it and seeing what's inside. So this is a special at the moment on offer. But then normally it retails for $2.50. Personally, I always find Amazon tablets are a nice, like, level between budget and like what you get for your money. They're decent value for money. And we get an interesting box. Let's slide it out. Let's see what we get. Nothing else in there. Shut that off to the side. And here is our tablet. Alright, just bend it down like that. It weighs quite a bit. I suppose it is 11-inch. It does weigh a bit. And let's see what we get in the bottom of our box. I suppose this is what you call eco-friendly packaging. And we have a Type-C cable. Let's rip that off and chuck that to the side. The Type-C cable is probably about 1 meter in length, I'd say, looking at that. And of course we have our hello guide, important information, instructions, along with our Amazon wall wart. So this is a 9-watt USB charging plug. That looks to be everything that we get in there. Plug, charger, and let's unwrap the tablet and power it on for the first time and see how decent that screen looks. So this is how it comes. You just simply rip it open and it slides out a bit like an iPad display, and that is a nice looking display. So it looks like we have speakers up the top. What do we have on the side? Nothing on this side. I would say these magnets, not magnets, these little connectors here, I think they're called pogo pins, would be for the keyboard. And I think, is that C on 2 sides that I see? And that's definitely, nope, no, that is not for charging, that must be for the keyboard. Ah, here we are. And here is the charging point on the bottom. Cable in the middle. It's an okay placement. It looks like here we have expandable micro SD. I think I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. But we got volume up and down, along with our power button. And there's our camera. That must be our Wi-Fi antenna across the top. It's a decent looking tablet, to be honest. It's quite a big camera for one of these. All the other Amazon tablets have been kind of like, if you remember the older iPad cameras, like on the 2021 original iPad, kind of like them little pinhole ones, but that looks to be quite sizable. And of course you have a front camera as well. And let's power it on and see what happens. We're not going to set it up or review it in this video. Ooh, we're just simply unboxing it and doing a first power on. Let's see what it looks like. So up to now, it's a little bit heavier than I personally expected. But I suppose that means you got a bit of quality. It's a very nice looking screen. And there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. The screen does look nice. And maybe we'll have a review in the future. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.